Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get bagels in RO scale Sandbox. First, open your build menu, which is usually found at the bottom of your screen. Navigate to the food category, typically represented by a fork and knife icon. Within this section, you will find the bagel item. Click on it to select, then move your cursor to your desired location on the map and click again to place your first delicious bagel. It's a simple three-step process to begin populating your scene. Once your bagel is placed, you can easily customize it. Select the bagel to bring up its properties or customization panel. Here, you'll find scaling tools that allow you to adjust its size, making it larger or smaller to fit your scene perfectly. Some versions of the game might also offer options to change its color or texture, giving you even more creative control. Experiment with these settings to achieve the exact look you desire for your virtual baked goods. For more intricate scenes, advanced placement techniques are key. Use the rotation tool to precisely orient your bagels, ensuring they sit naturally on plates or counters. To quickly add many bagels, simply select one and use the duplicate function. This saves a lot of time. You can also group several bagels or bagels with other food items, allowing you to move and manipulate them as a single unit, which is incredibly useful for setting up entire breakfast spreads. Here are some final tips and tricks for using bagels effectively. Don't be afraid to experiment with various placements. A slightly tilted bagel can add realism. Combine them with other food items like coffee cups or fruit to create a complete and inviting scene. Remember to save your favorite bagel arrangements or entire builds. This allows you to quickly load and reuse them in future projects, saving you valuable time and effort in your RO scale Sandbox adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.